This is the WARSUN 700 Lumen pocket flashlight. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the instruction booklet, USB charge cable, USB to USB-C, and here is the flashlight itself. Okay, so you have a clip on there, which is really nice, and different lighting modes. This is not a zoomable one or anything. It's just an easy to carry, everyday kind of flashlight. Let me tell you a little bit about it, and then we'll test it out. Battery in this charges up in only 3 hours and can last up to 15 hours. It's about 1 inch in diameter and about 4 inches long, weighs only 3 ounces. Really nice and lightweight and easy to carry. 700 lumens. And this is IP56 water resistant, so if it gets splashed or even a little more than that, you're going to be all right. That's not going to be a problem. You have your button to operate it on the back side. So there's no button here to operate it, so you kind of have to do one of these to use it like that. And your charge port is located there. You just pick the little rubber thing out. So to turn it on, you press the button and it turns on. You get high, medium, low, and then it goes out. But there's a little light there. Now, I didn't see exactly what this little light is for. That could definitely light up a keyhole. It's not putting out a lot of light. Okay, I'm not gonna lie here. It's just a very small light. I'm not exactly sure what the function is, but again, if that's what you need, you have that, and then press again, and it turns off. Clip right there. So again, you press it, you get high, medium, low, and then that little light on the back there, press again, and it turns off. But turn it on, there's high. Double click it, turbo mode. Let's test it out. Alright, here's high. Yeah, not bad at all. Definitely can see your way around with that. Medium, and by the way, the flickering you see is just a camera artifact. And there's low. And then that little light on the back, it's on, but again, it's not going to give any usable light that far away like that. But let's go ahead and press again to turn it off. Press again. You get high, medium, low, and then the little light on it once again. But if you turn it on the regular flashlight, there's high, right? Double click, and there's turbo. So even brighter still. Medium, low, or back to high, then medium, then low, and then the little light back over there, and one more click and it's off. Now again, that little light on the back of it really doesn't do much, and my camera isn't having much fun without enough light here, but you can get just enough little bit of light to see, certainly without disturbing anybody else. So it certainly does have its use. So it's just another handy flashlight. Fits in your hand, it's a nice size, gives you an adequate amount of light. And again, that little light on the back, I don't know the exact function, but it's there nonetheless, and can certainly work for you. And it's easy enough to operate. It's a little, depending, I mean, there were a lot of flashlights made over the years where the button was on the back of it, and you have to use your thumb like that to operate it, or your other hand, okay? But, you know, a lot of them today have a button here, or a slide switch, or what have you like that. So it's just a little bit different style, but hey, fits right on your shirt pocket with that clip there, real nice and easy. Battery lasts and lasts. It's nice and lightweight. Nice, small, handy, convenient size. Once again, this was the WARSUN 700 Lumen pocket flashlight. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.